Hola, it's Senora McPartland.
And Senora Cry.
And we are going to walk you through the week 3 assignments from your Google Classroom.
Oops, I had the wrong slide on there. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this is your week 3 video check-in. And we both teach Spanish 7, so we thought we'd do our video together. All right, so first of all, let's talk about Google Classroom. And I know I went through this with you guys in class a little bit, but I'm going to show you a couple little tricks so you can see your grades on your assignments that you turn in. So we've talked a lot about reordering classes and that. This to-do thing up here, if you click that, you can see what's assigned, what's missing. Ooh, I had something missing. Oh no, I better turn that in. And then also done, and you can see your grade. Oh my gosh, you only got a 23 out of 50. Oh, so I'm going to click it open and see what happened. And I notice that there's some private comments here from Mrs. McPartland. It says, Ana Maria, you forgot to do most of the assignment. Ay caramba, please resubmit. Oh man. So what I need to do is open up the Google Doc and see what I forgot to do. And then I look at it and I'm like, oh wow, I got to redo it, right? So then after I'm done with it, I'm going to click turn in again. Okay, so once you finish it, there should be another thing up here. I think this says turn in. See that? So once I finish it, I can turn it in again. And then I can try to get a higher grade. Okay, so lo siento. I'm really sorry. Okay.
It's okay this time.
Yeah, so you could turn it back in. So turn in and then you'll get to one of us. All right.
You get email saying that you resubmitted it.
Yes.
So you can know to look.
And also, let's say that you turned in an assignment and you realize that you made a mistake. You can unsubmit the assignment and then fix it and then resubmit it. So some of you guys with maybe your Flipgrid might have made a mistake or something. So you can always resubmit again. Okay. So that's the way to do it. Okay. So back to the slideshow.
So we're going to walk you through the week 3 assignment. It's pretty self-explanatory, but we're going to walk you through it anyway. So you'll start always by watching the week 3 check-in video, which you're doing right now.
Yay.
So yay. And then you're going to tell us 3 things that we talked about. So one of the things is Google Classroom and how to resubmit work. So that could be one thing that you talk about in your number 1 for what you learned from the video. And once you do that check, we made it a little bit easier this week. We put everything in green that you have to answer just to kind of clarify it a little bit more so it stands out a little bit more. So just make sure that you always look for the green, and if it's green, it means you have to write something in.
All right, our first part, I'll just do the next
Yeah.
part, is number 2, watch All About Me video and also do the Google form. So in class, we were doing like the activity where you find out about us. So this is a little video that you can watch, and it's a YouTube. So hopefully it'll work and you won't have any technical difficulties with it. And it's a shortened minute-long video. And then there's a Google form that asks questions about it. You might have to rewatch the video, but probably not because we did this in class. Okay, so once you do that, make sure you submit that Google form. All right, Mrs. McP, you ready for number 3?
Okay, number 3, we're going to be working with the numbers 1 through 20. Some of you already know the numbers 1 through 20, so you're way ahead already, but we're going to be focusing on just those. The vocab list, there's a link there. It's also, remember, on your Google Classroom. You can find it under classwork. It's linked.
Oh, so if I couldn't find my yellow vocab 2, I could just click here?
Just click there. We make it so easy.
Wow, that's really cool. Yes, they really make it easy for you to find all this stuff. That's pretty cool.
So it's all right there. And then there's a video. We have some videos that are going to show you counting 1 through 20.
Do I really have to watch the video?
Yes. And you know what? We asked some questions to make sure that you watch the video.
Oh, which is the only number with an accent mark. So you have to watch the video to be able to see what the answer is, and then you write it in. And if you don't watch the video and you don't get the question right, you don't get that point. Oh, okay, I got it.
Make sure that you always read, watch all your videos. They're fun.
Oh, they are so fun.
So here's another one for B. It's a different number song. So we try to find different things so you can see if there's one song you really like, listen to it a bunch of times to help you learn those numbers.
That sounds pretty cool.
I know.
All right, so that's all about numbers. And then there is a Quizlet section here. And last week, there's someone knocking on our window right now.
It's Mrs. Wade.
And last week all right, so you're going to be working with Quizlet, and we tell you exactly how we want you to do the Quizlet. And it really is the best way for you to have the audio on and answer in English. So the first thing we want you to do is flashcards. All right, so the options are answer with English, audio on. So if I click open the Quizlet set, and you look to the left, oops, it's pretty small, it says flashcards, and maybe I should make my screen a little bit bigger. Down here, it says audio on, answer with English. Cool. So I can hear them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4,
Yes, I love it. And you can hear the native.
5,
Who put those cute little
5.
pictures on there? I love them. Wow. Okay, so when you hit back, it takes you to the rest of the activities. So there's learn, write, spell. Wait, I got to look back at the assignment. Oh, the first part is flashcards, options, answer with English, audio on. And then it says I need to do the flashcards again, but shuffle. Oh, so if I do flashcards, because that was pretty easy going in order, and I click shuffle,
16,
I can try to guess that one. Do you know 16? Hey, there's an accent on that one, isn't there?
16,
Oh, sweet 16. That's so cute.
5,
I think that one's 15.
5.
Oh, no, it was 5. Okay, so I better work on those a little bit more. All right, so when I finish, I put the X in the line. Learn, that's our next thing. And it says, if you go back to that first, page, learn, when you do the options, make sure
20,
that you do it with answer in English, multiple choice questions. You don't want to write them yet or anything, and audio on, start over. And then it's
13.
going to give you a little quiz. How cute.
Quiz yourself. That's great.
Wait, I thought Tracy was 3.
No.
Oh, you're right. And then it tells you if you're
8.
correct. So this is really good, how you can self-evaluate to see how you're doing.
It's really good.
Yeah, so there's learn, and then match and gravity, and those are games, okay? Oh, what was your best time? At what level did you get to? You got to answer those so we know that you did it. And which was your favorite activity? Yeah, but I really like learn because I like a test. I like being quizzed. Okay, you want to take over the next part?
Sure. So the last one is a Flipgrid video. You're just going to count 1 through 20 in Spanish. If you need a refresher, we did put the link there that you can watch just to show how to use Flipgrid. A lot of you are already pretty familiar with it. And in this one, you're just counting. So you're counting 1 through 20. Make sure that you do it in order, and don't skip any. Check your pronunciation. I want you to really try to do your best with it. So maybe you want to listen to the songs a couple more times before you try it on your own. And then once you're done, you snap a selfie and you click submit. And if it's submitted, it'll have confetti and it will say success.
You know what? I'm kind of shy. I don't know if I want other students to see it. So
That's okay because there's a whiteboard feature and you could just put that
oh,
on.
that's pretty cool.
We just need to hear your voice.
Okay, but other students don't really have to see it,
No,
right?
it's always private unless you're really proud of your Spanish pronunciation and you want to say your numbers. You want everyone to know how good you are at
Yes.
Spanish.
And you know what, though? I'm like a superstar. I have like all these followers on
Yeah.
TikTok. So
Yeah.
I think I could maybe get more followers if I let other
Yeah.
people see my videos, right? Yeah. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great week. And if you have any questions, let us know. But hopefully this is self-explanatory. All right. Adios.
Adios.